Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the system section. Now just go to the gestures. Here we got the open camera, quickly switcher that's turned on, and now we just can turn on launch our camera by double press to the power button here on the right side of our phone. Also got here the power touch section that's just turned on, and here we can go to the settings on the left down corner. Now just tap the double tap section, and here you can see and select the applications or tools that can be launched by our double tap to the power key. For example, in my case it's clock, and also we can just for example select the Google Chrome, launch the Google Chrome, and as can you see right now, I'll go back. Okay, I'll launch camera right now. For example, I'll just turn off this function. I'll just turn on the switcher, and now here we got the power touch, and we can launch the Google Chrome. As can you see, that's really work. And for example, now we can select also the contacts, and you can see that you can just select one from this app, and here I think we can add the 6 applications. And as can you see, you will just double tap on the power key, and then you can select, for example, one from the applications, or also you can just remove all of them and just will stay the one app. And by just double tap here on the power key, you will just open just one application. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.